Locksmith near me, Terrace BC.
If you're locked out, need keys, call Mr. Locksmith.
Terrace BC,
If you need 24-hour lockout services, house lockout, call Mr. Locksmith.
Terrace BC,
Rekey locks, lock repair, locks rekeyed, lock change, Mr. Locksmith
Terrace.
is there to help. If you need a master key system, we can design it from scratch or we can add on to your existing master key system. You lost your keys to your mailbox, we can open your mailbox, repair it, replace it, give you brand new keys. If you're locked out of your mailbox, we can make you new keys. Mr. Locksmith
Terrace BC,
does commercial and residential services. House lockout, locked out, need keys, no problem. Key extraction, if you've broken the key to your house or your business, we can remove the broken key and make you brand new keys. Mr. Locksmith
Terrace,
your complete locksmithing service. We have 24-hour locksmith
Terrace,
service, mobile locksmith,
Terrace BC,
and emergency locksmith. Mr. Locksmith services all major locks and door locks for residential and commercial locks. Abloy, Primus, Slage, Weiser, Kwikset, Ingersoll Rand, Multilock, Assa, Medico, Abloy. If you're locked out of your safe and you can't get in, we specialize in opening safes that you can't get open. If you're locked out of your Sentry safe, call Mr. Locksmith.
Terrace BC,
We can open that safe easily and quickly. So for a locksmith,
Terrace BC,
call Mr. Locksmith.